Hey, don't forget, come join me in Chattanooga at Business Uncensored, where I'm going to talk about our relationship with money and how our head trash toward money can really mess us up. Today I want to talk to you about Business Uncensored, put on by the New Flat Rate in Chattanooga, Tennessee, coming up this October. Come and join me there. Does anybody have that belief from their mama and their dad that says, we don't talk about money? Probably. It's real common, especially in the South. Some of us think money's rude to talk about. It's rude to bring it up. Some of us think it's impolite. It's a big no-no sometimes to people. But if you don't learn how to talk about money in the business environment, especially if you're in service or sales, it'll really hinder you. I overcame this issue in my own personal life because I grew up in the South, and you can too. So come join us at Business Uncensored and learn about your relationship with money. Hey, thank you and God bless.